Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create how it would look like in Saved by the Bell trend videos on TikTok. So if you want to create these kind of videos, then let me show you how to do this. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store and your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for the following: Saved by the Bell CapCut. Now in the search results, you're looking for all those videos that are doing the trend. So all of these, go ahead and tap on any of those. Now within those videos, you're looking for this button here, CapCut Try This Template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will show you the template which you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut and again it'll show you the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now from here, go ahead and select a photo from your phone library. Then tap on Next. This will now create the video and will show you how you would look like in Saved by the Bell. Now if you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right, then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Since this is a template, a sound has already been added. Just go ahead and add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create how I would look like in Saved by the Bell on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.